Phonics is the foundation of reading. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy ways to teach phonics at home. Begin with letter sounds, not names. For example, A as in apple, B as in ball, K as in cat. Connect sound to the things around the house. Point at an apple, a cup, or a ball as you say the sound. Show how sounds connect together to form words. For example, k, a, t, cat. Keep lessons short, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use songs, flashcards, and games to make learning fun. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Consistency helps your child to remember sounds faster. With these 5 steps, teaching phonics at home becomes simple and fun. Try these guides today and subscribe for more learning.